guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and this is a Mint Mongoose bag. So I did do one other Mint Mongoose unbagging and it's jewelry. And the stuff that I got was like this big, fun, chunky, it's definitely more like on the fun, chunky, trendy style as opposed to like Kate and Chloe, which has more classic jewelry, I would say. You know, still fun, but more on the classic side. Okay, so this is the cute little packaging. I am super excited to see what I have in here. Ooh, and a candy. I love that they send you little old man candy. Ooh, this does not look big and chunky. Ooh, these earrings. Oh, I like these. These look fun. Okay, let me just take these out of the bag so you can actually see them. First, we have a rose necklace. Look at this. That's fun. That's kind of cool, actually. I just rewatched Beauty and the Beast, so I'm really excited about this little rose. I just filmed my Julep unboxing too, so if you haven't seen that, make sure you go watch that. Okay, that's really cool. I like that. That's really pretty. And these look like leaves, maybe? Okay, so these are fun. Little like, I like these. Let me put these on. I like those. What do you think? Those are pretty, right? Okay, and then the final piece, this is a ring. Okay, so there's the ring, and see, it's adjustable because it wraps around, it's not actually connected, so that's good. And I just think it's really pretty, and it goes with the necklace, sort of. So, I like. Well, that's fun, and a totally different style from my last bag, which I think is fun and interesting because I do like all sorts of jewelry. You know, I like the more simple, classic, and the big, fun, chunky things. So, you know, I'm loving it. Fun. That's cute. Awesome. All right, well, I will leave all of the information in the description box where you guys can check out Mint Mongoose. I am loving all of these jewelry subscription boxes. I'm so into jewelry right now because for years, when my kids were little, I like never wore jewelry because they were always yanking it off of me or I would scratch them with it, that kind of a thing. And so now that they're older, I'm getting back into it and I'm totally loving it. So, all right, well, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!